One of the things I love most about working at Xometry is
The people,
the core business mission,
modern solutions,
fantastic leadership.
One thing that has always stood out to me about Xometry is that there's always a door open to learn something new and to grow myself professionally.
We work really cross-collaboratively here at Xometry. There's really a sense of ownership and pride in the work that we do and the results we produce.
I really believe in the company, how we're approaching manufacturing. We are a game-changing company when it comes to manufacturing, and it's just been great to be along for the ride and get to do things that no one else is doing.
What motivates me about working at Xometry is that we're not just shipping software. We're helping everyone from small businesses to large companies access manufacturing like never before.
It is so cool to look in the sky and see a spaceship going up and knowing we have parts in that. Or to be driving down the road and seeing a car and knowing we have parts in there.
I think we have extremely smart people here that are super excited about problem solving, about different projects and products that are coming down the pike, and really trying to help the manufacturing industry across, be it with our partners or our customers.
A lot of what motivates me about Xometry is I really believe the vision, and I believe what it's doing is good for the world, not just in the immediate term, but also in the long term. What we're doing is we're lowering the barrier to entry for anyone with an idea to try that out, to just give it a shot. And I think that's going to encourage innovation and enable us to develop and to come up with new ideas and to really go to the next level. I think Xometry is just a key part of that picture.
Our network of suppliers is comprised not only of huge, large companies, but also 1 or 2 person shops. The great thing about Xometry is we're able to provide them with jobs and opportunities to keep their lights on. And for me, keeping manufacturing alive is a huge motivating factor.
It's an exciting time to be at the intersection of manufacturing and tech, and I'm so proud to be part of the Xometry team.